My Gurudev is a Siddha saint, and he lived to be 102 years old. He was a Bal Brahmachari his whole life. He never knew women, nothing about women. And Sadhu, sannyasi, tyagi, he had only a joli, a bag, moving everywhere at the age of 90, 95, Prem Sarovar, Govinda Kund, Manasi Ganga, Vrindavan, Shamsundar Mandir, Radhakund, at the age of 95, 96, 98. No bank account, no land, no money, nothing. He came to Vrindavan with pennies, nothing. And he left with nothing but his praying. So that long, long life and preaching in many languages and wrote 35 books in Bengali. And he went many times to Calcutta, many times to Bengal. He initiated 100 devotees, maximum, in 102 years.